Hi guys, in this video I tell about Far Cry 5, how to download, and 3 steps easily. First step is very important: download the IDM Internet Download Manager, and second step is requirements, system requirements, and third step is how to download Far Cry 5 easily. And first of all, I search Far Cry 5 system requirement. This is system requirement Far Cry 5, and second step is very easily, and third step is how to download Far Cry 5. I tell you, this website is very helpful, and download any games. www.nktech.tk. These are very helpful. I paste this link in my description, and click on this website and download any games. Click games and softwares, technologies, and computer and ending course. Everything is here. Click on action games, and Watch Dogs, Storm Rider, Far Cry 5. Click on Far Cry 5, and Far Cry 5 Ubisoft publisher, and action game in PC. Media size is 43.48 GB. Simply click on download and watch some screenshots. Click on download, and 2-3 seconds start download 43.48 GB, and a very easily set up download step for Far Cry 5. I hope you are understanding in this website how to download Far Cry 5. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget my channel subscribe. Please channel subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.